Hey everybody, just a really quick video to let you know what's coming up this week. We have a couple things. We have dehydrating pineapple, dehydrating mango. We are going to be canning Kamado tomatoes that I got at Grocery Outlet for 57 cents a package. So I got 6 packages. I may go back in the morning really early before I start doing this to see if they have any more left and get 6 more. These are brown tomatoes. They are super sweet. They have a really unique flavor to them. They are very good. If you guys can find them at your grocery outlet, they're normally $1.99 at Grocery Outlet. They're about $3.99, I think, in the supermarket. $2.99 to $3.99 in the supermarket. This is what they look like. And if you can find them at your grocery outlet, if you have one near you, you can do this along with me. 57 cents a package. So, yeah, you can't buy tomatoes for 57 cents a pound. I mean, rarely. Right now, during summer you can, but they're going out of season. So this is a really great deal. And I did the same thing about a month or so ago. I got a bunch of them. They were 59 cents a package. So now they're even cheaper. So I think I'm going to go back. A lot of people were asking me what I do with all of the tomatoes when I had them in my cart, and there were only 6 packages. But so I gave out my canning channel, the name, and I told them that I can, and people were very surprised. I had like 7 people ask me, and it was really cool. So, and people are interested in canning. It's coming back. Food preserving is coming back. So we have that. So we're going to do that. I may dehydrate some if I can get more. If I can't get more, then I'm just going to can these because these are super good. So as you can see, I have all my tomato jars here. These are going out to my outdoor pantry in my garage tomorrow. We're going to clear all of this mess off of my table. It has been here since we moved. I have my asparagus back there. I've got my beans. I've piled some jars on top of stuff, and yeah, it's a mess. And I am also going to make a video tomorrow on rings or no rings. I have so many people asking me, do you leave the rings on or do you take them off, and why? Well, I'm going to answer the long debated question of this, and hope that it helps some people, because there's a lot of new canners that don't know whether to take the rings off or not. So the rings, if you're not familiar, are these little doohickeys here, and they go on the jars. And when you can them, of course you can them with the ring on, but do you leave the ring on after canning, or do you take it off? And if you take it off, why do you do that? So I know I have things piled up on my jars right now, and they're just here for right now. I've got some dehydrated stuff, really light jars, and we're going to go through the whys and the hows of canning, and why you do the rings, and if you keep them on or off. So let's answer the long debated question tomorrow. And I'm going to show you some jars and some examples of why I do what I do, and why you need to do the right thing for the rings. I am also going to dehydrate some onions. I have some really big onions right here. These are sweet onions. They're local to me, and I got only 3, but that's plenty. And I'm going to make onion powder. I'm out of onion powder. I have some, but I think it's white onion powder, so I'm going to make some more. And if I can get my hands on some good garlic, I'm going to do some dehydrated garlic also. And yes, I do this in the house. I do not do it in the garage. I do not do it outside, and there's a reason for that, and I'll go into that too. So here we go. Mangoes, pineapples dehydrated, tomatoes canning, onions dehydrated. And there's a few surprises coming up this week too for canning. Just have to see what I can get my hands on, and we'll go from there. So I will see you guys all. Maybe we'll do a live cooking. We'll see. If you guys want to see me dehydrate something, please let me know. If you don't know how to do something, I am more than willing to show you and demonstrate how to do it with the proper procedures. Cabbage is on sale right now. If I can get cabbage on sale, I'm going to dehydrate cabbage also. Cabbage is a staple in the house. If you do soups, stews, or just cabbage as a side dish. Also, you can make your own sauerkraut. And I know I've done that on camera a couple times already. I'm going to do it again because I want to can it. Usually I just put it in the refrigerator. I only make a couple jars and I put it in the refrigerator, and then when I'm out of that, I make some more. This time I want to can it. And there's a way to do that. And so we'll go into that. So here is my tripod that is broken. I still have not got a tripod. There you go. It is broken right there. So it won't hold my phone, but it will. I do have a holder for my tablet. So I probably will do this with my tablet. If not, we'll see. So my link to donations will be in the description box. If you guys want to donate to my channel, please do. I only ask that you donate $2. That's all I want. If everybody donates $2, it will keep my channel going. It will keep me being able to buy jars, buy food to can and dehydrate, and do a tutorial and show you guys how to do it. So yeah, we're gonna go from there. So I hope to see you guys soon, and watch for another video coming out tomorrow. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section or write me at thecanningnana@gmail.com and put the heading for YouTube and then your question, and then you know, the rest of your email. But this way I know who's sending me something and I open it, because if it's spam, I usually don't open it. So feel free to ask me any question. I read every single email, every single message that I get. I'm very personal with everybody. So, you know, I try to answer every single comment that's down there in every video. And if I don't, I will eventually get to it. But it does alert me to every comment that's there. And I try to at least put a heart on everything. If you guys have a question, I always answer it. And most of you email me and ask me questions, and let me know what you want to see canned or dehydrated, and that's how I plan my weeks. So this is what we have for this week so far, and I will be adding some stuff for dinner. I'm going to be making dinners this week, so I hope to record some of those too. So I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Have a great night. Bye.